In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design and style pop-up forms in MailChimp. To get started, open your MailChimp account and sign in. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to get familiar with the main navigation, because this is where you'll access the tools needed to build your pop-up form. If you're new to MailChimp, don't worry. The process is very visual, and you can make changes as you go. Next, click on Forms. This section is where MailChimp lets you create different types of sign-up experiences for your audience. Since the goal here is to create a pop-up form, this is the area you'll be working from. After opening the Forms section, click Create Pop-up Form. This will take you into the Pop-up Form Builder, where you can begin choosing the style and layout that best fits your brand. Once you're in the builder, look for the option to view all templates. Click View All Templates so you can browse the available designs. This is a helpful step because it gives you a better idea of the different pop-up styles MailChimp offers. Some templates may feel more minimal and clean, while others may be more attention-grabbing. Choose the one you prefer based on the look you want and the kind of experience you want visitors to have on your site. After you find a template you like, click on it to select it. This loads the template into the editor so you can start working with it directly. From here, you can really make the pop-up your own. Feel free to customize everything. You can adjust the text, update colors, change fonts, swap images if the template includes them, and fine-tune the overall style so it matches your website or brand identity. As you customize, focus on keeping the design clear and easy to read. A pop-up form usually works best when it feels simple, visually appealing, and not overcrowded. Make sure the message is easy to understand at a glance, since visitors will only spend a few seconds deciding whether to engage with it. Take your time reviewing each part of the form before finishing. Small design choices can make a big difference in how polished and professional the final result feels. Once you've styled everything the way you want, your pop-up form will be much better positioned to capture attention and encourage sign-ups. That's how to design and style pop-up forms in MailChimp.